table. Jalan Hotel, special promo. Dates. Authentic sushi seating area there. We won't go inside because there is customers inside just in the back. As the happy hour on the cocktails there every day, 3 till 6. Yeah. We'll have a beautiful collection of tables and chairs all throughout here. Buffet breakfast, all you can eat, only 75k. Wow, what a deal that is, 5k. A seating area inside, wooden tables and chairs. How are you, brother?
How are you, brother?
Good, good.
Thank you.
Good evening from Bali, Indonesia. So this evening I'm here in the Kuta, almost on the verge of Legian area of Bali, and what I'm going to feature in tonight's video for you is a street walking tour along a section of the street of Jalan Benesari. So Jalan Benesari here in the Kuta area of Bali is a very popular tourist street. It's also a very big street and goes branches off in multiple directions. I've already covered many of the sections of Jalan Benesari in previous videos. In tonight's video I shall complete all of my walking tour of Benesari. My starting point is going to be where Jalan Benesari meets the street of Jalan Bene, and I'm going to walk all the way through to the street of Jalan Raya Legian. As I'm walking along the street, I'm going to take in all the hotel accommodation options, restaurants, bars, shops, tattoo studios, massage and spa, and just give you a general idea what you can expect from this section of the street of Jalan Benesari. So without any further ado, let's go and get started and take a night stroll here in Kuta. Okay, so this is the start point for tonight's video, directly in front of the camera now. This is the street of Jalan Bene. This leads through to the street of Jalan Benesari, which is a very popular tourist street. Just on the corner there we have Eddie's Bali Tour and Travel. Just directly opposite Jalan Bene is Jalan Benesari, leading towards Poppies Lane 2. Just in this direction is also Jalan Benesari, leading down towards Kuta Beach. In tonight's video we're going to be heading along this section of Jalan Benesari, making our way towards Jalan Raya Legian. So just on the corner here we have Eddie's Bali Tour and Travel. So he rents cars and scooters. Also tour information, tour booking service as well here. Big collection of the motorbikes here. We'll just walk and make our way around the front. So that's also Jalan Benesari, leading to Poppies Lane 2. So you can see he has a good collection of motorbikes available, all different sizes. It's Eddie's Bali. Just on the corner here, this place looks as though it's closed. Must be closed permanently. Just here we have Retta Restaurant and Bar. This is connected with the Grand Lawalan Hotel. Special promo. Beers and cocktails. Also the shisha as well here. Promo pizza every day. Different pizzas, different days. Every day of the week catered for there. Romantic, acoustic and karaoke. Now we're going to continue along here. So it's called the Retta Restaurant and Bar. Here's the main entrance into Retta Restaurant and Bar. As I said, this is connected with the Grand Lawalan Hotel. A few customers inside there. A special promo today. Buffet breakfast, all you can eat, only 75k. Wow, what a deal that is. Just across the street there we have Bali Medica, Surfer and Traveller Medical Service. We have Leon Holiday Inc. Tattoo Studio. Just in the back there, nice looking tattoo studio. There's a customer inside having a tattoo done as we speak. There's the Grand Lawalan Hotel. I'll give you another view of that in a moment as we get further up the street. There's a Circle K convenience store. a little bit crazy with motorbikes here. There's the Grand Loalon Hotel. I featured this hotel in a video, which will have the link in the description. So just carrying on up the street, we have R&B Kitchen and Bar across the street there. So we just take you across. Hello, how are you? So they have the fresh seafood here as well. And the prawns. There's a seafood on the menu there. Hopefully we can see the price. Also have happy hours on the beer, 25k. A seating area inside, wooden tables and chairs. How are you, brother?
How are you, brother?
Good, good.
Thank you.
Flat screen TV up above there. Nice collection of wooden tables and chairs, flat screen TV up above there. So that's R&B Kitchen and Bar there. We'll just continue up the street here. So just here we have Hotel Terrace at Kuta. I've already featured this hotel in a video. It's just up that little side, sorry. Just up that little side driveway there. I shall add the link in the description for the hotel. Just across there we have a salon and spa, tattoo studio, Insanity Inc, but they all look as though they're closed. So busy with motorbikes here. Not so many people, but lots of motorbikes. So it's the Grand Loalon salon and spa in the back there. I think it's maybe closed already. Tattoo studio, this is called Insanity Inc. I think that's already closed also. I have an authorised money changer here on the side. The best money changer, no commission. Here's the exchange rates on the board today. Directly across here we have Flash Ink Tattoo Studio, big tattoo studio this. Just there we have Bali Kuta, I think it's called. Just put across and show you this place. So there's the name up above there.
How are you?
Good, how are you, brother?
Good, thank you.
Looks a lovely breakfast. Served 9 AM to 4 PM.
Yeah, we have a soon promotion. This one.
Yeah, it's too dark.
Yeah, we have a promotion. Happy hour cocktail start from.
Has the happy hour on the
day,
cocktails there every day, 3 till 6.
Yeah.
2 for 1 on the pizza also. Dessert for free.
And
Weekend brunch. Can we go in, yeah?
Yeah, sure.
So we have a nice outside seating area here. Breakfast and brunch. Very beautiful.
Is it inside?
Yes, inside as well. There's the name, Bali Kuta. And then here's the inside of the restaurant. So we have a counter area as soon as we walk straight in. Some beautiful tables and chairs there. We have a beautiful collection of tables and chairs all throughout here. Very nice in the back there. So directly across from Bali Kuta there we have the famous Kuta's Bar and Grill it's called. Just take you to the doorway entrance here. Big collection of tables and chairs, all the flat screen TVs and things in there also. Some customers just at the front here. Have a pool table in the back over to the side there. Hello. Have a spa across the street there. Leanne Spa. Hello. Just in the back there, some customers inside. You can see the sandals at the front. So it's not too busy in Kuta's at the moment. Just on this side of the street we have an Indomaret convenience store. Just on the opposite side of the street we have 16 degrees. Just on the side, just take you across and show you inside 16 degrees. It's okay. Just inside here we have a pool table. Beautiful picture of the monkey on the wall there. Tables and chairs, flat screen TVs. So just from 16 degrees directly opposite we have a place called New Surf and Turf Sports Bar and Grill. Bloody cold beer, stay cool. It's okay, yeah? So here's the inside, not too many customers at the moment. Nice collection of wooden tables and chairs all throughout the back here. Also have a pool table as well up here. Flat screen TVs up on the wall there. Okay, so just from a New Surf and Turf we'll continue along the street. We have the Endless Ink Tattoo Studio here. It's just up those stairs there. Just across from that we have Benet's Sushi Bar. Very nice looking place this. I've never personally eaten here myself. We'll just take you and show you some of what's available here first. So here's a look at some of the sushi plates. Very nice looking. There's quite a few customers inside here. Nice little authentic sushi seating area there. We won't go inside because there is customers inside, just in the back there. Some customers relaxing at the front here as well. Just across the street there we have Uncle Bob Bar. Some tourists. Well, this is Uncle Bob Bar here. Just continuing on along the street we have Legian Clinic here. Hopefully none of you need to use that. We'll just turn back and give you another look at Benet's Sushi Bar. Like a surfboard, surf bag, surf cover maker in there. Have the Laurenesia Spa here. The massage spa. So just from Laurenesia Spa here we have, not sure, Bali Vibe by Veganlicious here, just in the corner. So there's the name up above there. So it has all of the smoothie bowls. Come, more options inside, it says there. Smoothie bowls, lots of them available. Veganlicious. There's the inside seating area. Nice inside seating area there also. Hello. There's a counter area also. Just from Bali Vibe by Veganlicious we have a place called Good in Bread. However, it's already closed. It's a very nice place this. I've featured it in previous videos. I'm not sure what time it closes. Amazing Bali Race. There's a little scan code there. We'll just keep walking now and we're almost at the street of Jalan Benesari. So we're into a little bit of darkness here. Just directly across there we have the street of Jalan Patimura. and this is the street of Jalan Benesari. This way heading towards Kuta, this way heading towards Legian. Okay, so that concludes tonight's video, my short stroll along a section of the street of Jalan Benesari. So as you saw with the camera in tonight's video, there was only 2 accommodation options, I think, the Hotel Terrace and the Grand Lawalon. I featured both of them in videos. I shall have the link in the description of this video. You had a few restaurants, bar type places also along this section of street. Tattoo studios, massage and spa. This was just a small section of the street of Jalan Benesari. It's a very big and long street, goes off in multiple directions. You'll find everything you need on the street of Jalan Benesari, many hotel accommodation options, many restaurants, warungs, massage, spa, tourist goods shopping. You'll find it all on the street of Jalan Benesari. So on that note, hopefully you've enjoyed tonight's video. Hope some of you find this video useful, especially if you're staying in this area of Kuta, and I shall say bye for now.